Hi everyone, my name is Fatima. As a student majoring in cybersecurity, I know how crucial it is to stay on top of modern technologies and emerging trends. So that's why today I want to share a quick review of the AI Fundamentals course by Cisco and IBM Skill Build. This course was incredibly packed with knowledge, and over the next few minutes, I will walk through exactly what I did and the models I completed. So let's start with the first one, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. First of all, we see a lot of models that we need to complete the quizzes for all the part of the model. What about this course? So I knew that artificial intelligence is everywhere. Yes, this was an introduction. And on my smartphone, for example, in automobiles, hospitals, and many other aspects of my life. So, what I should to learn about this model? For example, model what is artificial intelligence? Yes, in this model, I learned about what artificial intelligence is, what it does, and the three levels of prediction that AI can make. The first one narrow, the second broad, and the third one general. Learning object types. After completing this model, I should be able to define critical intelligence, differentiate between AI, and describe the three levels as we looked before. So, and a lot of things that we actually need to learn. And after all the models, each of the models, we need to complete the quiz. And as I see now, you can notice my score that was 100%. And again, the second model, what are the areas of computing, and etc. This is my results. Now you can see it for the model 6, for the models um, 5, and 4 and 3. I also explained about it. So next, right after that, we moved on to natural language processing and computer vision. This was fascinating part about how machines are trained to read text, understand human language, and recognize objects in photos and videos. Now you see my course completion. Next, the third block was machine learning and deep learning. Here we divide deeper into the brain of AI, how algorithms learn from massive data sets, and the principles behind neural networks. Again, as you can see now, a lot of models that we need to complete. Um, and at the end, I got the course completion. And reminder that this course is one of the several in the AI Fundamental series, and complete all of the course in AI Fundamentals Learning Plan and earn the Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals Digital Credential from IBM. So a little certificate after all the sections. But the best part is that this course isn't just theory. In the Run AI models with IBM Watson Studio model, we got hands-on practice, and getting this practical experience with industry tools is an absolute must-have for any future IT professional. A lot of quizzes, and again the course completion. So another section that really stood out to me was AI ethics. We discussed algorithm bias, data privacy, and developer responsibility coming from an information. This is honestly one of the most important topics today. So after that, we move on to your future in AI, the job landscape. It gave us detailed breakdown um, of how artificial intelligence change in the job market right now, about what is the future of AI, the global demand, about the job roles. We talked a lot. So the job role market has been growing at a phenomenal rate of for some times, and it actually this part of this section introduced us how to integrate these skills into our future careers. So finally we finish with the Moneymaker GANs game. This was super unique because we learned about generative under uh, adversarial networks of GANs, or GANs, which are the models used to generate realistic faces or image through a really cool interactive game. So it helps us to get our final certificate. So let's play this game quickly. It is an excellent starting point for anyone who wants to understand how AI works under the hood. Actually, and yeah, let's quick play this. Yep. Yep. So the platform did a great job structuring the material and taking us from simple theory all the way to practical application in IBM Watson. So that's all. At the end of this course, we got the certificate, IBM Skills Build, and as you can see, this is my certificate. So next. So now let's move on to the next course, Red Hat System Administration 9.3. First of all, you can see mount file systems and find files, the introduction, the explanation for all of the models, and I have actually 15 models. And as a CPU security major, having rock solid understanding of Linux is absolutely critical, whether you are defending systems or getting into offensive security. Right now, I'm working through chapter 15. As you can see on my screen, the specific lab focuses on mounting file systems and finding files based on different criteria like permission and size. So chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 4, and yeah, so a lot of information about how to do this with the Linux, describe Linux file system hierarchy concepts, and especially as it's our previous course, we had the quiz. Click next. We can read the question and answer for them. Also, we have the show solution, which is very helpful and comfortable to understand deeply what course actually wanted to say to us or teach. Level 4, 5, get help in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. A lot of information of working on Linux and understanding, which just actually helps us to figure out the main reason of the course. Chapter 6, manage local users and groups. Now we can see goal, create, manage, and delete local users and groups, administrative local password policies, the object types, the sections, and also we had the lab, manage local users and groups. References about how to do it, the lab course, and let's move on to the 11, 10, 9. Again, the introduction, understandable stuff, chapter 8 for instance. Yes, working with files, and the last one, comprehensive review. The goal, review task from Red Hat System Administration, sections and lab. We had also a lot of chapter as our previous course. So, what makes this course stand out is a poor hands-on approach. The platform actually challenged you to complete the labs without looking at the solution, especially if you are aiming for the official RHCSA certification exam, and if you want to seriously level up your Linux skills, this is a way to do it. So that was a very good course of the Red Hat System Administration. This is my certificate. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.